Michelle from Glamour Has No Age. Today's drugstore. So I figured I'd go over one of my favorite NYX palettes, the Warm Neutrals. I feel I get a lot of nice neutral looks out of it. There's 16 shadows. It's a mixture of matte, metallic, and shimmer. So let me try to get you some swatches. First row. First row is mainly creams. Can barely see them, but they do build up. And let's see, second row. They don't swatch that good, but they do look pretty on the eyes. Third row. And I'm gonna do the fourth row. That's not bad. The deeper colors are more pigmented, I think, than the cream colors. It's good that they have those lighter colors in for blending out. Now I have my Milani eye primer on, and I'm gonna do 2 eye looks, 1 on each eye. I'm gonna take this blender brush. I'm gonna do this eye first. I'm gonna go into this cream color right here and just put that all over the eye. Then I'm gonna take this little mini shader. I'm gonna go into this color right here and put that in my outer V. Then I'm gonna take this shader again and go into this color right here and blend that out a little bit. Then I'm going to take my shader brush right here and I'm going to go into this color right here. Now I'm going to do my next eye. I'm going to take my all over shader. I'm going to use this cream color again and go all over my eye. Then I'm going to take my little shader. I'm going to go into this color right here and do my outer V. Then I'm going to take that shader again and go into this color right here and blend everything out. Then I'm going to take this shader and I'm going to go into this color right here. This color right here. And put on my mascara. Oh, there was fallout. Was a little kick up and fallout in the pan. They are drugstore shadows. This retails for $18. I picked mine up for half off. This is my finished eye looks. As you can see, they do look similar, just different tones, different warm tones I used. So if you're in a palette that you want to use every day, that's simple, then I would say go for this. It's cheaper. Wait for it to be half off. Well, that's it for my video. If you like videos like this, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit a like button, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.